challenges that I'm having before attending, really, as far as the multifamily, just not knowing a lot about it.
Very competitive and difficult to find good deals.
A lot of stress trying to find another deal.
Trying to find the right labor pool to do my investments.
The flipping, it's real competitive in my market. I really want to do a lot more than just flipping in my own area. I want to get out of my comfort zone.
I decided to pull the trigger because of the abundancy this group provided. Information was being sent out everywhere. Information that I was looking for prior, thinking I can do it on my own, was provided here.
We found so much value and so much content and so much that put us on a fast track to success. It was just a matter of, we want to be in multifamily, then this is the place to be. The entry fee into that thing paid for itself time and time and time and time again.
The amount of content that you'll get and everything that you learn is going to be worth your time so much.
And they have so much experience, and there's such an outpouring of knowledge.
To see that these guys are really doing it, they're pros.
There's no beating around the bushes. It's definitely helping you speed up your time.
Nothing is held back.
You didn't feel like they were holding out.
They do not hold anything back.
If I wouldn't have had that content, I probably wouldn't have even gotten my first deal yet. Now I've gone over $2 million worth of transactions I've got to experience in my first year and a half.
If I had to describe Jason and Pili to someone who's never met them, energetic and genuine.
Jason is down to the nuts and bolts of things, down to the nitty gritty.
They just want to share the content. They don't want to hold anything back.
Super passionate.
Very giving.
And Pili, she not only does she know tons, she is a person that just will pull you out of any kind of depression or anything you were in. She is all heart. Her success is in your success.
They're a bunch of genuine people. That was the reason I sort of jumped in on blind faith, because I know one of those individuals, and then I stayed plugged in because everyone else impressed me in the same way. So I hope to continue to stay plugged in.